Hello everyone, welcome to another Bitget tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to withdraw your money from Bitget to your bank account. Now, you can do this very simply. All you have to do is follow this particular process. Subscribe down below for more videos just like this, and let's get started. So, basically, you want to go to your buy crypto. Obviously, you want to log in into your Bitget account. You want to buy crypto here. From there, you will have pay with Great British Pound, and you can basically go to bank deposit here. Now from there, as you can see, you will have fiat withdraw, or you can go here and have a crypto withdraw. However, if you're withdrawing to your bank account, you will need to go with the fiat withdraw. Now, basically click fiat withdraw. From there, select the currency or method. It will be euros most likely, or some other currency of your choice. And you can also go to the SEPA method right here. From there, all you have to do is select it and obviously type in your amount that you want to go for. As you can see right here, it will be the currency, SEPA, and then as you can see here, you have currency, we have how many euros we're basically withdrawing. And then as you can see here, you just need to confirm. From there, you will obviously need to go through a verification process if you have verification turned on Bitget. And then once you successfully submitted a withdrawal request, you will generally receive the funds after 1 working day. That's basically it, right? Withdrawals will go through fast transfer or payment methods, may arrive in the fast as 10 minutes. So you check your account for details. For some accounts, it will be a bit longer, but that's pretty much or generally it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.